Dude, stop scrolling. I'm over here snaking a fucking 12-inch bell in the east side of Cleveland with a 3-inch trap. I've never seen this before, but lady's 80-some years old, lived there for 45 years, and has been there ever since, or ever since she's lived there. So I just went ahead, grabbed the 100, since it was a tight 3-inch, and fed her in there. I did notice though that when the sump pump kicked on, that soup bowl would fill up and overflow. So somehow that that laundry drain is tied into the storm drain somehow. Or God, I hope the sump pump isn't tied into the sanitary, but my job was only there to snake it. But yeah, check this out, see how I did it. Peace.
Looking outside my window, city glows so blue. Smoking indoor by my window, thinking about you. Brain, airplane, mode floating past pain. Watching smoke dancing on my window pane. Room full of quiet, head full of noise. Watch smoke draw halos over my Jordans. Eyes on the sky, but my soul in the drain. Let the smoke write poems about pressure and pain. City sound fade while my mind drift deep. Chasing answers in smoke I can't keep. Brain on shuffle, life stuck on repeat. Only peace I get is these smoke DC. Think I'm okay till the noise gets loud. World so cold, but we act so proud. Hide all the scars under jokes and smoke. Whole generation tryna heal, but bro. Looking outside my window, city glows so blue. Smoking indoor by my window, thinking about you. Brain, airplane mode, floating past pain. What's in smoke, dancing on my window pane. Banks get bailed while I hope gets trained. 40 feel like 80 in this broke man's frame. Ash on the sill while the sirens float through. Whole block on fire, but we just call it the view. Eyes half closed while the neon lights bleed. Life playing out like a slow motion feed. Head in fog while the sirens go by. Feeling time drip slow from the corner of my eye. Looking outside my window, city glows so blue. Smoking indoor by my window, thinking about you. Brain, airplane mode, floating past pain. What's in smoke, dancing on my window pane. Window pane, pane, pane. Clock in, clock out, same weight, same day. Back hurt, heart hurt, but I go anyway. Whole world feel rigged, but I push on through. Cause if I don't show up, who gon' save this crew? Outside my window, city glows so blue. Same bill, same stress, but I still come through. Heart feel heavy from what rich men do. Same fight, same night, no escape route through. Hands in the dirt, but my soul stay true. Drain line singing every time I push through. World breaking backs just for someone else's view. Same fight, same night, but I still push through. But I feel past old. Knees on fire, but the streets stay cold. Boss say grind, they say get rich quick. But my whole life painted slips and it's short sleep. Long miles, still real on the seat. Cable hum wild like a demon at my feet. East side gray, boarded windows, no sun. I'm patching up cracks in a world undone. See moms cry while the tub ran black. Whole life floating to the floor, drain back. I don't wear K, touch clear what's true. One more clog line and a life clog too. Clock in, clock out, same weight, same day. Back hurt, heart hurt, but I go anyway.